Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create account in Wise, set up Wise bank account. So let's get started. So first of all, you'd need to click the link in the description below to create your free Wise account. And here we are in wise.com. And from here, you want to click on open an account to start our registration process in creating our account. And from here, you'd need a CAPTCHA. So if this pops up, just simply answer it. Click on verify. And then the next thing is you can enter your email address right here to proceed to the next step, or you could also log in with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID or Apple account right here. But what I recommend to you is that you use the email address option right here instead of this one, because this is much more practical compared to this one right here, because Facebook is not an email service. So it might have some complications later on when you create your account using Facebook. So from here, just provide your email address, click on next, and from here, choose the account that you'd like to open in your Wise. So from here, I'm just going to go for personal account and click on or choose the country that you are currently spending most of your time, or where you live most of the time. And we will need also to ask for your proof of address. So you'd need to provide that later on. So later on in the process, you need to provide your address and click on continue once you're done. And from here, just provide your phone number with your country code right here. And then after that, click on send verification code. And as you can see right here, it is saying that I need to download the app because I can only continue the process when I am in the app. So if you have this prompt, then I'm afraid you have no choice but to continue this process in the app. So from there, you can just continue the registration process, provide your address and other personal information that Wise might ask, and of course your verification code, which was sent to your phone number. And then once you're done with that, then now you will now be able to go into your Wise dashboard. And from here, to the first thing that you need to do into your account is to click on your profile right here, go into settings, and from here we're going to be adding our bank account. So click on connected accounts. And from here, you want to make sure that you connect your bank account right here if you have a bank account in any of this location. Unfortunately, other locations are not yet currently supported. So if you have a bank account in any of this location, you can connect them right here so that you would have faster transactions when you are depositing funds into your Wise account. And from here, the next thing is now we can choose a currency that we would like our Wise account to have to send, receive, or maybe spend. And from here, you can click on this plus icon right here so that you can add a currency. And from here, you can choose a balance type. So you can go for a balance. So this is where you can send, receive, and spend money. And the jar is basically one for you are saving money for whenever you need it. In my case, I'll just go for balance for this tutorial. And from here, I can now choose the currency that I would like to open. Let's go for Japanese yen and click on confirm. And after that, our balance will now be created right here as long as you already have your details verified. So you can click on get account details. And then from here, as you can see, I am currently verified with my identity because I have already provided Wise with my documents like my government ID, my proof of address, and so on. So you would need to do that first in the registration process. And then once you're done with this one, you would now have a check button right here. It says completed, and you can now click on get account details. And from here, to get the account details and complete your verification for this currency, you would need to add money into it. But don't worry, you'll be able to use this money later on after you have added the money. You can just use that, and then from here you can input the amount that you would like to add. So let's say I want to add 2,500, and from here you can go for a payment method on how you're gonna pay for that. So you can go with for debit or credit card. In my case, I'll just go for debit, and then from here you can see the fees that you would need to pay and the total amount that you'd need to pay here, and click on continue once you're done with that. And then from here it would ask you about your source of funds. In my case, for this one, I will choose salary and click on continue right here. And then from here, you can see the total, the details right here, and it should arrive in seconds once you have successfully paid for this one. So all you have to do now is just basically provide your payment method details or your card details right here. Click on pay, and then after that, you will be all done for the verification. All you have to do is wait. As you can see, it says it should arrive within seconds, so it shouldn't take a minute for your balance to reflect, and then you should now have your account details in that specific currency. When you click on that and click on account details here again, you should have it available now right here, because you have now completed the verification process, and you should be seeing your balance here being reflected on this currency. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out in setting up your Wise bank account. Thank you for watching.